Baosteel HFW mill is located in Baosteel Shanghai branch, which was put into production in 2005 with design capacity 300,000 metric tons annually. Products include line pipes, casing, structure pipes, and etc. Outside diameter range from 8-inch to 24-inch, and wall thickness from 4 mm to 20 mm. The maximum length of Baosteel HFW pipes can reach to 60 feet, and the grade of it is from H40 to P110. Baosteel is the first integrated steel company in China who set up the high-frequency welded mill. The majority products are used in pipeline projects and oil or gas well all over the world. Baosteel HFW 610 mill is designed by German SMS Mir cage roll forming technology with SMS Mir's quick setting system, URD fin pad stands, URD squeezing stands, and URD sizing stands are combined in this mill along the Norway EFD's HF welding machine, MF annealers, German Dutch's DNT, and American G's NDT devices. Obviously, the most advanced forming technology, large power welding machine, NDT devices with complete functions, double seam annealing technology, full body heat treatment equipment, casing and tubing production line, and whole process tracking MES are integrated in this mill, making Baosteel HFW 610 mill one of the most advanced HFW mills in the world. In addition, Baosteel HFW 610 mill is the only mill in China that is owned by Iron and Steel Complex, where high-quality management is implemented in the process of steel making, hot rolling, and pipe molding. In order to guarantee the quality of tubes and pipes, Baosteel adopts advanced examination instruments and equipment to set physical and chemical lab, including material tensile testing machine, impact tester, flattening tester, guiding banding tester, hardness tester, DWTT tester, optical microscopy, corrosion tester, direct reading spectrometer, infrared array carbon, a sulfur analyzer, and hydraulic bursting tester. HIC and SSC test can be carried out according to relative standards, setting the stage for the production of API and DMV offshore pipeline. Baosteel is focusing on customer demand through demand analysis, research and development, quality control, overall processing service. Baosteel built an integrated cooperation system to enhance the ability of new product development, such as grade X70 line pipes, 20.6 mm and above wall thickness line pipes, anti-HIC line pipes, N80 and above casing are all provided to customers. Baosteel is the biggest supplier of hot rolled coil in China and successfully produces grade X120 coils. With over 20 years research and development, Baosteel ranked the top technical of pipeline coils in the world. Baosteel used a 4-level computer system to control the manufacturing processing, including sales contract management, raw material management, producing process management, database management, testing and analysis management, quality control management, etc. Also, the HFW mill has a QoS and QMS system to improve the product quality. All the data of the manufacturer is traceable, such as pipe number, lot number, coil number, heat number. Ball Steel was awarded the prestigious BSI's ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management, OSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate. The tubing, casing, drill pipe, and line pipe oil-filled pipe was issued 5CT, 5D, 7.5L local license by the API, etc., which demonstrates the ability of Ball Steel to consistently provide products and services that meet the requirements of the customers. All related parties and applicable regulatory enhances the customer and related party satisfaction through the effective application of the system. Ball Steel products exported to more than 40 countries and regions, among the international automobile manufacturer, pipeline, oil fields, and become one of the international steel market force. Ball Steel ensures the customer requirements be determined and met with the aim of enhancing customer satisfaction. The business concept, focusing on customer, embodies intensively in regarding customer standard as Ball Steel standard, regarding customer's plan as Ball Steel's plan, regarding customers' benefit as Ball Steel's benefit. Since the HFW mill was put into production in 2005, products were mainly used in pipeline projects, gas line projects, oil wells and offshore projects. Till now, over 7,750 kilometer line pipes and 288,000 metric tons of casing have been produced. Ball Steel sets up the whole network in domestic and overseas markets to pay all attention to customer demand and keep good relationship with the global top companies like Saudi Aramco, Shell, PetroChina, Sinopec, and so on. With most advanced facilities, strong research and development ability, and thoroughgoing quality control system, Ball Steel is continually improving HFW products to higher grade and value-added level. We are confident that Ball Steel HFW mill will be one of the best welded mills in the world.